Hello students, welcome to the Power Electronics lecture series. I am Priya Chaudhary from Arya Group of College Jaipur. In this session, we are learning about semiconductor power devices. Today's topics are DIC and TRIC. Firstly, we will discuss the DIC. DIC, the term stands for diode for alternating current. It is a bidirectional semiconductor switch that can be turned on in both forward and reverse direction. The device is a member of thyristor family. DIC start conducting electric current if the applied voltage goes beyond its breakover voltage. DIC is given by symbol of two diodes connected in parallel and opposite to one another and has two terminals. Terminals of DIC are simply called A1 and A2, or we can say MT1 and MT2, where MT stands for main terminals. The advantage of DIC is that it can be turned on or off simply by reducing the voltage level below its avalanche breakdown voltage. DIC are also known as a transistor without a base. It should be also noted that a DIC can be either turned on or off for both polarities, that is positive and negative. Construction of DIC. It is a device which consists of 4 layers and 2 terminals, that is shown in diagram of DIC. The construction is almost same as the transistor, but there are certain points which deviate from the construction from transistor. The differentiating points are: first is there is no gate terminal in DIC. Second, their three regions have almost the same level of doping. And third is it gives symmetrical switching characteristics for either polarities of voltage. DIC has two type p-type material and three n-type materials. DIC can be turned on for both polarities of voltage. When MT2 is positive with respect to MT1, then current does not flow through corresponding n layers but flows from P2, N2, P1, N1. When MT1 is positive with respect to MT2, then current flow through P1, N2, P2, N3. VI characteristics of DIC. VI characteristic curve of DIC will be in shape of Z. Curve will be lying in the first quadrant and third quadrant because they conduct in both positive and negative polarity. In the first quadrant represent positive half cycle where current will be flowing from MT1 to MT2, and second quadrant represent negative half cycle where current will be flowing from MT2 to MT1. Once the initially VI characteristic curve of DIC, resistance of DIC will be higher because reverse bias junction between layers, so there will be a small leakage current flowing through the DIC. It is mentioned as the blocking current in the curve of the first quadrant. Applied voltage reach breakdown voltage, resistance of the DIC drop and its start conducting, which leads to sharp decrease in voltage, and current start increasing, which is mentioned as a conduction state in the curve. The DIC will be in the conducting state and until the current reach the particular value called holding current, where the holding current is minimum current that required for device to keep it on. Application of the DIC. Main application of DIC is its use in TRIC triggering circuit. DIC is connected to the gate terminal of the TRIC. When voltage across the gate decrease below its predetermined value, gate voltage will be 0 and hence trike will be turned off. It has some other applications include it can be used in lamp dimmer circuit. Second, it can be used in heat control circuit and in speed control of universal motor. Second topic is trike. Trike is a 3-terminal, 4-layer bidirectional semiconductor device that control AC power. This is the symbol of trike. Trike is a 3-terminal semiconductor switching device that is used for controlling current flow in the circuit. It is one of the most important member of thyristor family. It is a bidirectional device that can pass the current in forward and reverse direction, which means that they can conduct in both condition of the gate signal, positive and negative. Construction of the trike. Two SCR are connected in inverse parallel with gate terminal as common, that is shown in first diagram to thyristor analogy. Gate terminal is connected in both N and P region, due to which gate signal may be applied, which is irrespective of the polarity of signals. Here we don't have anode and cathode since it works for both polarities, which means that device is bilateral. It consists of 3 terminal named as MT1, main terminal MT2 and gate terminal G, that is shown in second diagram of the construction. Trike working principle and operation. Trike can go to the conduction state if applied voltage is equal to breakdown voltage, but most preferred way of turning on the trike is by providing a gate pulse, either positive or negative. If the gate current is high, a very small amount of voltage is enough to turn on the trike, as trike is bidirectional and has the ability to get turn on with both polarities to gate pulse. It can operate in 4 different type of mode of operation. The first mode of operation is MT2 is positive with respect to MT1 with gate polarity is positive with respect to MT1. When terminal MT2 is positive with respect to terminal MT1, the current will flowing through the path, that is P1 N1, P2 N2. During this operation, junction between the layer P1 N1 and P2 N2 are forward biased, whereas the junction between N1 P2 is reverse biased. When positive signal is applied to the gate, the junction between P2 and N2 is forward bias and breakdown occur. In the second mode of operation, MT2 is positive with respect to MT1 with gate polarity negative with respect to MT1. When MT2 is positive, the gate pulse is negative, current flow will be in the same path as first mode, which is P1, N1, P2, N2. But the junction between P2 and N2 is forward biased and the current carrying are injected into P2 layer. In the third mode of operation, MT2 is negative with respect to MT1 with gate polarity is negative with respect to MT1. When terminal MT2 is positive and gate negative pulse is provided to the gate terminal, current will be flowing in the path, that is P2N1, P2N2. During the operation, the junction between the layer P2N1 and P1N4 are forward biased, whereas the junction between layer N1P1 is reverse biased. Hence, trike is said to operate in negatively based region. In mode of operation 4, MT2 is negative with respect to MT1 with a gate polarity is positive with respect to MT1, where the terminal MT2 is negative and the gate is triggered with the positive pulse, the junction between P2 and 2 is forward bias and the current carriers are injected, triac is turned on. VI characteristics of triac. Since triac is a bidirectional device, its VI characteristic curve of triac will be on the first and third quadrant of graph, which is similar to 6th characteristic of thyristor. When terminal MT2 is set to positive with respect to terminal MT1, the triac will be operating in forward blocking mode. During initial stage, due to resistance of triac, there will be a small leakage current flowing through the device as applied voltage is less than breakdown voltage. When voltage is increased and it's reached breakdown voltage, triac is turned on and high current start flowing through the device. Apart from the increasing voltage of the device, the triac can be turned on by applying gate pulse. Even if applied the voltage is less than the breakdown voltage, the same operation can be carried out in negative direction of the triac, which can leave us with a mirror image of same curve on negative quadrant. The supply voltage at which triac start conduction will depend on the gate current applied on triac. If gate current is higher, the voltage required to turn on the triac can be less. Advantage of triac. In the triac, there will be a single gate control conduction in both direction. If the voltage is decreased to 0, the triac turn on. Basically, it is bidirectional device and in both direction it will conduct. High voltage rating are available. And the application of triac are using many electric switching applications like electric fan speed control, small motor control, domestic light dimmer, control of small AC power, domestic appliances. In the next video lecture, we will study about MOSFET and IGBT. Thank you.